Hey everybody, I'm coming to you with another review. These are gonna be sorry about that. The EAS AdvantEDGE Carb Control Get Lean and Toned Protein Shakes. And this is what the container looks like. And I've tried the strawberry cream and the rich dark chocolate. And let's see here. You can see the stats right there. It's Get Lean and Toned strawberry cream. And in the strawberry cream, I'll just go ahead and just read the stats for you. It comes in 11 fluid ounces, and it comes in a 4-pack, and you get it at Walmart, and they're $4.97. This container is 100 calories. It is 2.5 grams of fat, 0.5 saturated fat. I think I said that right. 0.5 saturated fat, 0 trans fat, 0 cholesterol, 430 sodium, 340 potassium, 2 carbs, less than 1 fiber, 0 sugars, and 17 protein. So that's pretty good for this protein, and it actually tastes pretty good. I'm really liking these, and it's not a bad price for 4. So I'm really liking these. On the chocolate one, it's rich dark chocolate, and when they say rich dark chocolate, it is dark chocolate. You can really taste the darkness in the chocolate. For this one, you know, it's still 11 ounces, and it's 110 calories for this one. It's 2.5 grams of fat, 1 saturated fat, 0 trans fat, 0 cholesterol, 470 sodium, 550 for potassium, 5 carbs, 3 fiber, 0 sugars, and 17 protein. So I like this one also. I'm a chocolate person, so I wanted to give this one a try too. But it is a little chocolatey, so if you don't like chocolate, a lot of chocolate, I wouldn't advise trying this one, but I'm a chocolate person, so I can handle it. But it is really rich tasting, so that's my advice on this. But I'll give these protein drinks a thumbs up, and I will be buying these again. And I hope you like this review. Thanks for watching. Bye.